Kids' clothings are cute, but they are small, they are unmanageable, and they can easily outnumber our entire clothing's collection. Plus, they have books, they have toys, and they have study material from the school as well. In today's video, I'm going to show you people how I organize all of these things in a single wardrobe for my son. Hopefully, you people will find this video productive, and we are going to start right now. How often do we get indulged in this urge of stuffing everything like that and just relaxing a little bit? But I would rather advise you not to give in to this urge and actually start organizing, because it will help you straighten up your life as well. My first suggestion is always start with an empty space. This is the best thing that you can do in terms of organizing. If you're starting with an empty space, you can simply go ahead and see the challenges that are coming with that space, and you can clean it up before organizing it as well. So, two purposes are solved. Now, when you empty up the space, you've got each and every single thing in front of you, so you can start the process of dividing, sorting and purging as well. That's what I'm doing at the moment. Kids' clothing are something that are like, we love to store them as memories, but don't store all of them. That's my personal recommendation. Just keep 2 to 3 sets of each and every age group, and rest can be donated, because someone else could get benefited by your kids' clothing. So it's not a bad thing, I personally guess. And over here I am just sorting them, categorizing them, making sure that I know where what is supposed to go. Because if you people have seen my wardrobes, you people already know that they're quite huge, quite deep, but still they don't have way too many sections. So organizing them turns out to be a little bit difficult, and I have to go ahead with multiple organizers to make sure that the wardrobes are organized in a pretty fine manner. Always remember that hangers and baskets are a must-have. They simply are your best friend, and they can always help you organize the most challenging areas of your house. As I mentioned earlier, the biggest challenge that I face in terms of my wardrobe is that it is huge, it is deep, but it doesn't have sections. So now I am going to start off with winter wear. Over here you can see I am trying to categorize my son's clothes. One section is of winter wear, sweaters and all good stuff. There is a section for t-shirts, there is a section for pajamas, there is a section for clothes that he can wear outside the house. This is the process which should be your step one always, post you have purged the excessive clothes, because you need to clearly see what is supposed to go where. Once you have decided which category or which cloth falls in which category, you can simply go ahead and decide whether you want to hang your clothes, or you want to place them in baskets, or however you want to organize them. It's completely up to you. As you people can see here, I have organized the clothes that were supposed to go into hangers, and I have just simply made sure that everything that I wanted is placed in a manner that I wanted it to be placed. And there are multiple styles of hangers that I use for Vivans clothing. These are these clip style hangers, single hangers, normal hangers, and single clip hangers. Like, there are multiple styles. You can simply select what suits your style, and then you can simply go ahead and arrange and organize each and every single thing that you want to. He has some baby organizing hangers as well, plus his wardrobe has some of our hangers as well, like purchasing hangers just for the sake of organizing his clothes only is a little bit off the beat, I personally think. So I just make sure that everything is that is needed to be hanged is hanged. I don't give lot of priorities to what style of hanger I'm using in anyone's wardrobe. It's like not only his. Like here I am using a single clip hanger to hang his pajami. Now with the power of editing, the most difficult task has been sorted into baskets over here, because the video was getting way too lengthy. So I haven't filmed folding everything, and as you people know, I've already shared with you people how I fold clothes. So not a big deal, right? Now over here I'm showing you the educational material of my kid. These are toys, but these are educational toys, so they are going to go in his wardrobe only. I love organizing the toys in bigger baskets so as to make sure that the space is entirely utilized in the best way possible. And this is like really very simple. You can just take out one basket according to the theme or the style of teaching that you want to do on that day, and simply go ahead and teach the child. Organize the basket back again and place it back, and within no time you will see that this will turn into a habit, and your child will start admiring you for the same thing as well, and he'll develop this habit. Thank you for watching, everyone. Thanks for admiring Divalogue so much, and hopefully you people are enjoying the series. If you people are, then don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you people haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, just stay blessed and take very good care of yourself. Bye.